Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Let me take off this. Doing research tonight and a few things I like to talk about. Now, a lot of people knows that I cook. I don't have the equipment or setup that put in the kitchen and show you what I'm cooking, but remember I know basil, all sorts of basil, and also I know, trying to remember, certain types of plants. Well, anyway, I made syrup. Okay, wipe it down a little bit. It's humid here. Okay, that's a reddish kind of glow, if you could tell by the light. This is a type of Japanese basil shiso, and I know how to make a syrup out of it. Use a little honey, a little sugar. It comes out a beautiful color. If you can see the color on this, very translucent. It has a rosé color syrup. And I use a classical jar because it's great for making syrup. And let's see if I got a flashlight. Yeah, always have cheap flashlights around. That's me. Here we go. Old Boy Scout light. You can see that. See how wonderful color that is? Okay. Now I can use that, and I got gelatin, plain old gelatin, and I'll mix that to make jello. It has an herby taste because of the oregano, because it's oregano family, and it'll have an herby taste. It'll be either more plum flavor or shiso flavor. It's flavor by itself. I could do a lot of things with it. I can make jello out of it. I can make whatchamacallit, if I have carbonated water, a little honey, and make a fine soda out of it. It's one of these little talents I have. And like I said, easy to brew. So I don't have to worry about it because I know how to cook. That's called food processing. How to make food available to cooking and transform it from one form to another. Okay? Now, these are the Padawans. Please check out their channels. Okay, my handwriting's bad. I can't help it. And I forgot to write Boonchild. Let me get my pen. I'm old and tired, and I keep forgetting things. I'm supposed to write it down. She does a lot of cooking. I like her. But we'll put it over here separate. I hope I got a right spelling. Sometimes it's not too quick on the memory, and sometimes I forget a lot of things. That's all right. There's a couple more brain cells. I don't really know where I'm at. Okay, and there is Allie Carroll and Miss Vital Survival and Boone Child. If you see them, stop by and check out my video. Now I'll let this play tomorrow because I gotta let the other one play for about 24 hours. And then we have these folks right here. Okay. Now I know Palmetto's really busy right now because he has two factories going on. So does Reed. And Old School Pepper, don't worry, we're in a safe zone. We're Oregon and Washington. You might get rain, but everybody else, there's like a giant storm I've been tracking. This has caused the mother of all other storms, about 28 major ones. We have 5 already. We're still due for 23 storms. And what we got coming up on the 3rd to the 8th, oh Lord, I gotta pray for these people. And my prayer circle is getting bigger and bigger. It's like I got Spitfire and I gotta remember where I put her on the board. But please check out these people right here. We got Uncle Grandpa Prepper, that's Ray's channel, whoops. There's Second Star Survival, that's Matt's channel in Texas. Remember what I told you about the sandbags? Okay. Good thing too. Um, Mondak Living, uh, WD Rock and Roll. He did a good fire boots and firewood collecting video. Gotta check him out. If you haven't signed up or joined up to WD's Rock and Roll, go for it because he only has like 100 subscribers. Let's get him up to 500, okay? SD Mountain Man, all right? And Macaditas Off Grill and Everyday Survival. He did a really good one on hand crank powered items. Now, Uncle Alan dabbles in old stuff. And I like the Wartime Farm because a lot of people rediscovered some old stuff. And what we're going to miss tomorrow, if I don't make it just in case, is gins. No, not the drinking kind, but, you know, that kind of gin. Nope. Okay. What we're talking about gin. Gin is a type of engine, either manual or animal powered. And hopefully we'll talk about it because Wartime Farm and I think Victorian Farm talked about a little bit of gins. Gin is run by a mechanical device, either animal powered, you have the little dog running on a real little treadmill, or you grab the key and beat the kids to run around a little treadmill. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow on Cap Patton's Family Compound we'll talk about this. All right, please check out all these people right here. Now, Kirk, if you run out of ideas, okay, do you have a food closet? A camping toilet? You know, it's really hard to go poo in the snow, okay? All right, think about it, folks. What items do you miss? Okay, if you can't flush the toilet, it's going to be really stinky and messy. All right, let's all look at this, and we got a few of them are repeats. Prepping in progress, really good. And from overseas across the pond, we have the UK guys. Sorry, Andy, it kind of misspelled one thing, so I redid it a little bit. And that's Atomic Shrimp on the bottom. Sorry, my handwriting's bad. All right, it used to be a lot clearer, but nowadays it's like, ee. And Prepared Camping. I should put Jim Timber on the bottom, but Rue did Prepared Camping, and so did Prepared Veterans. They were talking about the Red Dragon. That's the overseas look for it. We can't talk about it because YouTube's AI and also the censors who are run by the certain places like the communist Chinese. Uncle Alan's been working on researching right now on certain factors like TikTok. TikTok's going overboard. Like, we're peaceful, we're people. And I've been researching like hell on these guys. All right. Follow the money trail. It goes to China and somebody else. So I've been tracking those dirty bastards down. All right. So everybody thinks TikTok's a harmless thing. Snapchat is a harmless thing. Twitter is a harmless thing. No, a lot of the social medias have a thin trace, goes back to China or North Korea. At first, I agree with Steve. I thought it was the Russians or Russian mob. I made a big error on that. That came out to a dead end. So I go back and double check on the trail again. And it ended up always to North Korea. I checked through the gangs. I checked through China. China is doing certain things, but North Korea and their rooms, they're doing all sorts of horrible things. Now, the one who's printing out, I'm trying to remember, I think it's room 39. Let's see, 39. There's 39, 38, and 35, and there's 34. I'm not too sure on the order. I know 39 is the criminal and aspects of it. 38 is the print shop. They print everything. It's either 34 or 35 is that Wetworks guys. That's assassination and removal teams. I forgot what the heck was 32 and 37. I don't remember. But anyway, they're all over the place. Putin's kind of mad at China and North Korea because a lot of those places are set. If you've seen Reed's, oh, Reed's channel right here, he spent time in Russia, and a lot of criminals over there will fake food products. Not only certain items, but food and unsafe devices. Yeah, like the plug-in hot water shower. You plug it into the wall site, hook it up to your shower, and you get warm, pulsating water. Okay, that's a little crazy right there. I wouldn't even use it. Yeah, always enjoy getting electrical shock. Okay, please check out these folks right here. We have Dana's channel. We have Patriot Farms. I'm trying to do research on a cheese book, and I'm trying to get it. After I read it, I'm going to try to send to her. So if you want to donate a little cash, and it's going for a good cause to Patriot Farm, we got to teach her how to harden cheese. The Adventures of Frank and Tina, Colette Fry, Cooking with Bird Martinez. LG knows about her, and I like Mexican food. Common Sense with Elizabeth. We all pray for her because she got cancer. Page Family Homestead, Our Journey Back. Love these folks. Love Andy. I think it's Andy. I'm not too sure. I can't remember. Emmy Made in Japan. She does a lot of cooking. Food Forest Permaculture. That's Howie's channel. Howie's very lucky. He lives, how can I say it, a semi-tropical, well, it's not tropical. It's temperate forest. It's a rainforest, but in a temperate zone. And that's perfect for permaculture. Okay? And we have Winging It with Irish Coaling. We're all praying for her. Eye patch does not look good on Irish Coaling. That's why she's wearing the dark glasses. We have David Lynn. God bless. Check out his channel. We have Blind Fox, Prairie Rider, and Kim's channel, Kalis Enoch. Yeah, I know. That's how it's spelled. Anyway, I'm kind of tired, and like I said, I like to show you this wonderful syrup I made. I have to keep it chilled or it loses its color. And a lot of people ask me, why do you make syrups? Well, sooner or later we're going to run out of certain things, and it's good knowledge of how to do peppermint oils or doing syrups from natural compounds so you can make ice cream or gelatin desserts or candies. I know there's going to be a big market on candies, so using this syrup and a few simple ingredients, I can make a lot of hard candies or soft. So you got to think about the future and where you're going to replace it. There's not going to be a chemist nearby. We'll mix these chemicals up and presto, you have a wonderful soft drink. No, you have to go back to the old days. I'll catch you later, folks. And make sure you check out Maccabees' channel. He does a wonderful bit on hand tools, the old-fashioned grinders and stuff. So check him out. Bye, folks.